So today we discuss about more tools, automation tools about Jarvee for Instagram account. So our previous video is we discuss about follow settings. So now we discuss about follow back, unfollow, like and comments. So it's a follow back. We can set for initial 45 to 90 minutes before his operation wait. Follow between 1 to 15 people per operation when with a delay between 15 to 20 seconds between each follow. So there is no need to a specific user source because which user follow us we can follow him. User filter is not need for this if you want to follow all. If you want to filter it, then you can use the setting. Okay. Unfollow. If you want to maximum people you have gained, so you want mass of people to unfollow them per day, 500 to 1000, so you can set a unfollow automation tool. So unfollow automation tool you can set up 5 to 5 days after application followed them. That's mean which account you follow, then after 5 days you just unfollow them. Wait between 45 to 90 minutes before each operation. Unfollow between 1 to 2 with per delay between 15 to 20 seconds between each unfollow. Execute between 12 am to 11:59 pm for night mode. For unfollow setting, user limit is 40 to 400 per day. So maximum per day unfollow 400. User filter unfollow all user followed by Jarvee. That's mean which we follow, which our account follow by Jarvee, we unfollow them. Then after setup, just start it. Okay. Then we discuss about the like tool. So for the like tool, its runtime wait between 50 to 60 minutes before each operation, like between 3 to 6 posts per operation with delay between 15 to 20 seconds between each like. Execute between 12 am to 11:59 pm. That means it's 24-hour working time. At random sleep time 20 to 60, 50 to 15 operation. All day is week it's working. Like limit 140 to 200. If it's problem, then it's make it more lower. Per day increase 5 until reach 450 maximum like per day. So now we need to user filter. First, if we need to avoid non-English user, then we can tick this option. Must have user has profile image User has a number of followers following a specific range 500 to 1 lakh. User has minimum of 100 posts. That means it's look like a human profile. Filter post by number of like 50 to 55,000. This is the post filter option. We can like all image and video posts. After like action, if the profile is suspended when temporary block, wait between 180 to 360 minutes. Source. For source setting, we just keep our targeted audience, targeted profile, and add here, add account followers, and we take the like of the follower following of the account, section 1. That means we like the post of our targeted audience followers post also. There is no another setting for source. Here we can check the setting process result. Then after set up the source, we just start the auto like setting in here, and it's executed. Then we can see the comment tools. It's like similar, that wait between 90 to 180 minutes before its operation, comment between 1 to 2, 30 to 60 seconds between its comment, execute time same, all day of week. Comment limit is 30 to maximum 100 per day. No need to more because it's look like spam. If we want to avoid non-English user, then we can click here. Then there is no need to another setting. So we just need to set up source. Obviously we set up the comment on post of user by username, full name by. Okay. Then we just put our targeted syntax and start it. Then check the result. This is the comment which we post. Here we found more specific tools for comments. You can use geolocation, you can use latest feed post, follow post. So it's all about depend on you which setting you want to set up. So it's don't worry about the setting. Okay, so next video we can show you contact, direct message, comment, manage comment, delete post and delete comment. So keep your account safe with the settings on Jarvee. If you have get any problem, please leave a comment on my video. Hope I give you a good solution. Thank you.